Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Meet Sabache. And I'm an accredited seller of the MCI Home. So today po, i-discuss ko po sa inyo yung construction update natin dito po kay Alder Residences. Okay po, so currently ang site progress natin dito po kay Alder Residences is nasa 26.64. Okay, completion na po tayo. So nakikita ninyo nandito, ito yung first building natin, okay? Ito po yung right of way, yung passageway na papasok kay Alder Residences. So dito po ang turnover date natin dito is by 2026. So later on i-upload ko po yung video nito para po sa mga sample computations natin dito po kay Alder Residences. So yun po. So that includes my presentation po for the construction update of Alder Residences. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project po, nandyan yung mga numbers na kalink po dito sa description below. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger po. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po, stay safe po. Bye-bye po.